friends, today I'm actually doing pork steaks and asparagus on my grill for dinner. And this is fresh asparagus. I just picked this up yesterday. It is wonderful stuff. So I've got it all washed already and all ready to trim. I got it lined up. I'm just going to trim about a good inch off in it. That's going to go to the chickens because they're going to love that. Okay, so now that I got that cut, I am not going to cut anymore because I like it solid. I like it in solid pieces. So with that, I'm just going to spread just a dot of olive oil just on my foil. Nothing much. And I'm going to lay my asparagus in this foil. Okay. Now I'm going to put this dot of butter in here with it. I'm going to do just a little bit of salt. I'm going to do a little bit of fresh cracked pepper. I'm also going to do just a small handful of Italian seasoning. Now you can use any seasoning you want, but I like Italian seasoning. And with that, I'm also going to add just a little extra parsley, because that is just makes it wonderful. Okay? I'm going to fold this up like so. With that butter right on the top there. Fill up my ends. And that's it. That's going to go on the grill just the way it is, along with my pork steaks. And when it's all done, I'll show you how wonderful it is. Okay, friends, my asparagus is done from the grill. And let's unwrap it. Ooh, that looks so wonderful. Look at how beautiful that looks. A little bit of butter and that Italian seasoning smells wonderful. I don't need to add any butter. I don't need to add anything more to it. It's perfect just the way it is. So there you have it, friends. Give this a try. It's fantastic, especially with fresh asparagus. Thanks for watching.